In this video, I'm going to show you ANOVA, which stands for Analysis of Variance. In statistics, we use ANOVA to tell us if there is any statistical differences between the means of three or more independent group. So in this video, we're going to do grouping and we're going to use p-value and f-test or f-test score to do the ANOVA test. All right, so let's do the grouping first. I'm going to assign variable, call it df group equal df, and I'm going to use drivetrain and price as a variable. Now I'm going to group them by drivetrain. So I'm going to assign another variable, and I'm going to name it as a group ANOVA df under group 1 drivetrain and price. Group by, I'm going to group by the drivetrain. Now let me show you the result here. So print group ANOVA that head I'm going to use 2 for now. Hit Control B. So this is how the result looks like. So I group them by drive, train, and the price. All right. Hit Control Escape right here. I'm going to delete this one. I don't need them. And here I'm going to need to import a library from SciPy import stats. Here I'm going to show you one example and you can copy and paste and change the variable as you wish. So I'm going to use one variable f value as a, for f test score and p underscore value for p value. I'm going to use the stats function that f underscore one way. I'm going to use a group ANOVA that get underscore group open parentheses, and I'm gonna use the front wheel drive and price, comma, group ANOVA, get group, open parentheses. Now I'm gonna use the rear wheel drive, the variable here, and the price, close parentheses. Now I'm gonna show you the result. So print, just gonna type ANOVA result f equal, and now I'm gonna give f value here, right here, that I calculated on the previous code, and then p value equal, comma, and I'm gonna pass this p value. Now, when you run the code, you will get the f value, the f score or f test score for the front wheel drive price and rear wheel drive and price, and the p value for both of them. So hit Control B. So here we go. The f test score is this, and the p-value is this one. Now you can be creative and you change the variables here.